Welcome back to another quick fix tutorial. Today we are tackling a common issue with Mitsubishi Colts, the handbrake release button. Let's dive right in. Over time, the plastic clips that hold the button in place tend to break. Consequently, button falls out of its place. The simplest solution to this problem is to buy the new button for around 15 euros. Part number is visible from the video and also mentioned in the description. Press the button in. Make sure the clips are positioned vertically before pressing the button in firmly. If all is good, it can be simply removed with small force, as it was the case with the old one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY repair guides.